Hello everybody. So today I'm going to show you a strengthener for the glutes to take it away from the pressures away from the stabilizers of the hips. So pretty much what we usually have is this build-up of tension on the side of the hips, because when our lower back collapses like so, our glute max turns off, and because we don't use our glute max properly, because a lot of us are sedentary or have been moving our body incorrectly or not ideally, that muscle switches off also. So we want to really train that muscle to switch on so that it supports the sacrum and gives our lower back a really nice strong foundation. And so this exercise will not only do that, it will turn on that, allow these to kind of relax. And so in relaxing, they commonly can really like strangle some nerves in the legs. So they'll relax, and your nerves will be able to have more freedom of movement. You'll have more power through the legs, and you will also your hip joint will be able to move more freely because it won't have these tiny little stabilizers which commonly pull on the sacrum and pull the back into poor alignment. And when great force is applied through the legs, you also have these things in the lower back. Those stabilizers will go boom and pull really hard, and you'll get things like sore back and disc pathologies. So let's go into our movement. We're pretty much lying down. Everything from this part upwards is relaxed. You can have your head on your hands there to form a neutral spine. And so what you're doing is you're pulling your belly off the floor completely. Let me just do something. And so, if you look at my belly, you're pulling it off the floor. But look at what I'm doing. So I'm pulling it off. I'm not doing this, okay? Not pulling up through the hip flexors, causing tension there, because that will have an adverse effect. So we're pulling off, boom. And then we're tensing the glutes, slowly contracting. And then we're lifting the legs, imagining you don't have any knees. Imagining you don't have any knees so that your legs are lifting straight. Okay, we don't want this. That will further accentuate the painful areas in our hips. And so I want you to work on really the first few weeks when you do this, slow contraction through the abdomen so that you take about 3 seconds, and when you first initiate the movement, slow contraction through the glutes, 3 seconds, and then you lift. And then you keep both tight, both tensed, keep sucking the belly off, and you go 10 reps, and then you'll work your way up to 15 to 20 reps. And so after a few weeks, when you get used to that movement, you can step it up to 2 sets. So you're effectively working towards 2 sets of 20 reps, performed really well. So make sure that with any of these postural exercises that you're not sacrificing quality for quantity, because this is not a powered exercise. This is not an exercise for mass gains or like fat loss. This is an exercise where you're training the subtle structures of your body to reinforce you in the whole day. So yeah, you do this one every morning for that 1 set and build up from there. Cool, thanks homies, and like, comment or share this video, and let me know if there's any kind of parts of the body which you want to feel less pain in, and I'll definitely make a video to accommodate to that. Alrighty, thanks heaps.